Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is View the full app list in Windows 11. When you first click on the Start menu button, you will see the apps you have pinned to the Start menu and the most recently used apps. Windows 11 also has a full list of all the installed apps that you can use. Let's look at how to view the full app list in Windows 11. On the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, click the Windows icon to the left of the search text box. To the right, under the search text box, click the word All. Do you have questions about using Windows 11? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.